Production begins with certified military-grade armored steel. Every batch is inspected before entering manufacturing. Ultrasonic testing verifies structural integrity. Only flawless steel moves to the cutting department. CNC plasma systems shape the primary armor components. Precision cutting ensures exact vehicle dimensions. Hydraulic presses shape heavy armor into complex curves. Each section matches the Limousine body structure. The reinforced chassis serves as the Limousine's backbone. It is engineered to support extreme armor weight. Robotic welding ensures maximum structural consistency. Every joint is fused for strength and durability. Precision inspection confirms dimensional accuracy. The armored chassis must meet exact specifications. Specialized floor armor protects against explosive threats. Multiple layers increase survivability. Heavy side armor forms the vehicle's protective shell. Each panel is aligned with millimeter precision. The armored roof completes the protective capsule. This structure surrounds occupants on all sides. The protective capsule becomes a unified structure. Continuous welds eliminate weak points. Advanced scanning confirms assembly precision. Even armored structures require luxury car accuracy. Grinding removes imperfections from welded joints. A flawless surface is essential for premium finishing. Surface refinement prepares the body for paint. Every contour is perfected by hand. A protective primer seals the armored body. The vehicle is now ready for curing and paint preparation. The primer is heat-cured to create a durable foundation. This process prepares the body for luxury-grade paint. Automated sanding creates an exceptionally smooth finish. Even microscopic flaws are removed. A contaminant-free surface is essential for flawless paint. The body is now ready for color coating. The signature presidential finish begins with the base coat. Robotic precision ensures perfect coverage. Multiple paint layers create exceptional depth and richness. Each layer enhances durability. A high-gloss clear coat protects the luxury finish. It also provides long-term weather resistance. Controlled curing locks in the paint finish. The surface gains maximum hardness and durability. The body receives its final mirror-like finish. The luxury appearance now matches the vehicle's protection. The Limousine uses thick ballistic glass assemblies. Multiple layers provide advanced protection. Vacuum lamination removes air pockets. The layers become a unified ballistic structure. Pressure treatment strengthens the ballistic glass. This process improves impact resistance. Each ballistic window is precision-shaped. Exact dimensions are essential for armored sealing.
Precision polishing creates smooth, reinforced edges that enhance durability and ensure an exact fit. Each armored glass panel is...
Every ballistic window is inspected for perfection. Only approved panels move forward.
Armored doors require reinforced internal structures. They are engineered to support extreme weight.
Ballistic steel transforms the doors into protective barriers. Each section is permanently secured. Robotic welding creates a rigid armored assembly. Structural strength is critical. Special hinges support the weight of armored doors. They ensure reliable operation. The ballistic windows are integrated into the armored doors. Precision alignment is essential. Specialized seals protect against moisture and shock. The armored assembly is now complete. The completed armored doors join the body shell. Precise alignment ensures smooth operation. The Limousine's powerful engine begins with precision machining. Accuracy is critical for performance. Precision components are assembled into the power plant. Every tolerance is carefully verified. Every engine is tested before vehicle installation. Only approved powertrains move to final assembly. A tested powertrain is installed into the armored chassis. Precision alignment ensures optimal performance. The transmission is matched to the Limousine's powerful engine. It is designed to move the armored vehicle smoothly. The driveshaft transfers power to the rear axle. This component is engineered for extreme loads. Special suspension systems support the Limousine's armor. They also deliver a comfortable ride. The rear suspension balances vehicle stability. It is designed for presidential-level comfort. Massive braking systems control the vehicle's weight. Stopping power is a critical safety feature. Protected brake lines ensure reliable operation. They are routed away from vulnerable areas. The self-sealing fuel tank enhances survivability. It is protected against impact damage. Reinforced fuel lines connect the powertrain system. Protection and reliability are equally important. The main wiring harness links every electronic system. It forms the vehicle's nervous system. Electronic control modules manage every major vehicle system. Each module is integrated into the protected network. Special communication systems provide secure connectivity. These systems operate independently from public networks. Backup power systems ensure continuous operation. They support critical systems during emergencies. Advanced sensors continuously monitor the surroundings. They enhance vehicle security and situational awareness. Every electronic subsystem undergoes verification. Only fully operational systems move forward. The luxury dashboard combines technology and craftsmanship. It serves as the command center of the vehicle. Advanced insulation creates a quiet cabin environment. It isolates occupants from road and engine noise. Premium carpeting enhances comfort and appearance. It is precisely fitted to every contour. The executive rear cabin is designed for comfort and security. Every seat is individually fitted. Handcrafted leather elevates the cabin's luxury. Every stitch reflects meticulous craftsmanship. Natural wood veneer adds elegance to the interior. Each panel is hand-finished before installation. Ambient lighting enhances comfort and visibility. The system creates a refined cabin atmosphere. Advanced climate systems maintain passenger comfort. Airflow is carefully balanced throughout the cabin. Advanced climate systems maintain passenger comfort. Airflow is carefully balanced throughout the cabin. The completed interior undergoes a final quality review. Only perfect cabins move to final assembly. The exterior receives premium chrome detailing. Each component is aligned to luxury car standards. Official exterior emblems complete the vehicle's identity. Every detail is installed with precision.
Advanced LED lighting improves visibility and safety. The system integrates with vehicle electronics.
Rear lighting systems are installed and tested. They provide visibility under all conditions. Heavy-duty wheels support the vehicle's armored weight. They are engineered for durability and strength. Run-flat tires allow continued mobility after damage. They are a key part of the vehicle's protection system. Precision alignment improves handling and tire life. Every measurement is carefully calibrated.
Critical operating fluids are filled to exact levels. The vehicle is prepared for its first startup.
For the first time, the presidential limousine comes to life. Engine performance and system integrity are closely monitored during this critical startup phase.
Electronic tuning optimizes vehicle performance. Power delivery is tailored to the armored platform.
The suspension is tuned for comfort and stability. It must support the vehicle's armored structure. Armored doors undergo extensive durability testing. Reliable operation is essential. High-pressure testing verifies weather sealing. The cabin must remain completely protected. Electrical systems are tested under full load. Every circuit must operate flawlessly. Secure communications are verified before deployment. Reliability is essential for presidential operations. Security systems undergo controlled evaluations. Every response is measured and verified. The complete vehicle undergoes performance validation. Engine and drivetrain systems are analyzed together. Track testing evaluates real-world performance. The vehicle is assessed under demanding conditions. Emergency maneuvers test vehicle control. Engineers verify stability during rapid movements. Comfort remains a priority despite extensive armor. The suspension is evaluated under real conditions. A comprehensive inspection verifies mechanical integrity. Every system is reviewed one final time. The Limousine receives its final cosmetic preparation. Every surface is perfected. Every specification is verified against official standards. The vehicle must meet exact requirements. Final approval marks the completion of manufacturing. The vehicle is now ready for service. After months of engineering, craftsmanship, and testing, the presidential limousine is complete, built for protection.